Hello, how to solve this is 7 power n plus 1 equals negative 14. Now, if you have a power n plus m, this equals a power n times a power m. So 7 power n plus 1 is the same thing as 7 power n times 7 power 1 equals negative 14. So from here, we have 7 power n times 7 equals negative 14. Let's divide this by 7 and divide this by 7. 7 eliminates 7. We have 7n or 7 power n equals negative 14 divided by 7. This is negative 2. So to solve this, we make use of natural log. Natural log of 7 power n equals natural log of negative 2. From here, I can have natural log of 7 power n equals natural log of negative 2 is as negative 1 times 2. So remember, if you have natural log of a times b, this equals natural log a plus natural log b. So from here, we will have natural log 7 power n equals natural log of negative 1 plus natural log of 2. Also, if you have e to the power of I times pi plus 1, this equals 0, meaning e to the power of I times pi equals negative 1. So you can replace this negative 1 with e power I times pi. So we have natural log 7 power n equals natural log e power I times pi plus natural log 2. Now also remember this, if you have natural log a power p, this equals p times natural log a. So applying that here, we have n times natural log 7 equals I times pi of natural log e plus natural log 2. So what happens is that natural log cancel e, and n times natural log 7 is n natural log 7 equals I times pi plus natural log 2. So what to do right now is to isolate n, dividing this by natural log 7 and dividing this by natural log 7. Now, what happened here is natural log 7 eliminates natural log 7. And we have n equals I times pi plus natural log 2 divided by natural log 7. So from here, I can have n equals I times pi divided by natural log 7 plus natural log 2 divided by natural log 7. Now remember, if you have natural log a divided by natural log b, this equals natural log a to the base of b. So applying that here, we are going to have n equals I times pi divided by natural log 7 plus natural log 2 to the base of 7. Now let's also solve this when negative 1 equals I power 2. So we have 7 power n plus 1 equals negative 14. And remember, a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. So applying that here, we have 7 power n times 7 power 1 equals negative 14. So what we can do is to divide this by 7. We divide this by 7. 7 eliminates 7. We have 7 power n equals, this is negative 2. So from here, I have natural log 7 power n equals natural log negative 2. From here, if you have natural log a power p, this equals p times natural log a. So n comes behind this, we have n times natural log 7 equals natural log. This is negative 2. I have negative 1 times 2. And from here, if you have square root of negative 1, this equals I, meaning that if you take the squares of this and take the squares of this cancel this, meaning negative 1 equals I power 2. So you simply have n times natural log 7 equals natural log negative 1 is I power 2 times 2. So if you have natural log a times b, this equals natural log a plus natural log b. So from here you have n natural log 7 equals natural log. This is I power 2 plus natural log 2. This is my a, this is my b. So from here I have n natural log 7 equals, if you apply this identity here, if you have natural log a power p equals p times natural log a, meaning natural log I power 2 equals, this is 2 times natural log I plus natural log 2. The 2 here comes behind this. So what do? We need to isolate n by dividing this by natural log 7 and also divide this by natural log 7. Natural log 7 cancel natural log 7. N equals 2 times natural log I plus natural log 2 divided by natural log 7. So let's divide by the common denominator. I have n equals 2 times natural log I divided by natural log 7 plus natural log 2 divided by natural log 7. And also remember that natural log a divided by natural log b equals natural log a to the base of b. So from here, you can simply have n equals 2 times natural log I divided by natural log 7 plus natural log 2 to the base of 7. So this is my answer here based on this. While for this one here, we had an answer based on this. So you can notice that the both answers are obviously correct. We have 2 times natural log of I, which is the same thing as I times pi. So this answer here and this answer here are all correct depending on what you want to use to represent negative 1. So that is it, guys. If you want to use e power I times pi to represent negative 1, you're likely going to have I times pi. And if you want to use I squared to represent negative 1, you are going to have 2 times natural log of I. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.